Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And of course, it's March 31st, Friday, the end of the first quarter of 2017. And what a quarter it was. We're going to start off taking a look at a stellar quarter for stocks and indices and go through them real quick and give you some key levels to watch next week. And we'll start off right now with the S&P 500, currently with the chart analysis score plus 75 with a green monthly and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the S&P 500 is going to be 2,390.01. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the long position for the S&P 500. And something I like to do during the end of quarters is I like to go into our charting here and look at the quarterly charts, and we'll just blow this out a little bit so we can get a good idea of what's going on with the S&P 500. And as you can see, really was a stellar quarter, up 5.8% for the quarter. Of course, this is all based on the Trump trade, as they're calling it, and just keep an eye on that key level. We'll move along here to gold. Gold had a great quarter as well, up a little bit over 8%, currently trading at 1,246.71. However, it is in a sidelines position with the chart analysis score plus 55 with a green weekly trade triangle and a red daily trade triangle. Key level to watch on Sunday when trading opens for gold will be 1,254.14. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a entry into a long position for gold. Moving along to the Dow, currently trading at 20,712.48 with a chart analysis score of plus 55 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the Dow will be 21,011 cents. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a long position for the Dow. And as you can see, Dow finished up the quarter 4.8% gain. Quite a nice quarter for the Dow. Moving along to the Nasdaq, by far the biggest gain on a quarterly basis for the indexes with a gain of a little over 10%, led by Apple, AMD, Amazon, and the likes in the tech sector. Chart analysis score currently plus 75 with a red monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. Key level to watch for the Nasdaq will be 5,928.06. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to the long position for the Nasdaq. Moving along to the dollar index. Dollar index was one of the two markets that was really down on the first quarter. As you can see, had almost a 2% decline that quarter. Currently trading at 123 cents with a chart analysis score negative 75, indicating a short position for the US dollar with a red monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the dollar index next week will be 101.63. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating an exit from the short position for the US dollar. Of course, crude oil had one of the biggest drops in the quarter, as you can see here, almost 10%, 9.8% on the quarter. Of course, with all the OPEC speculation and U.S. crude oil inventories. Currently, chart analysis scored negative 55, indicating a sidelines position for crude oil. Key level to watch next week is 50.56, and we'll back this back into a daily chart here. As you can see, it's quite easy to move around to the different time frames of charts within MarketClub. As you can see, we're currently trading at 50.45 today. Like I said, chart analysis scored negative 55, sidelines position. And a key level to watch this week is going to be 50.56. A move above that level, if it happens on Sunday night when trading opens for crude oil, or Monday, would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a long position for crude oil. So key level to watch there is 50.56. And then we're going to wrap up one more stock that I had pointed out mid-quarter. We're going to go to my active trades thing here and take a look at Alibaba. And we'll turn off the dailies here. As I pointed out on February 22nd, Alibaba issued a new monthly trade triangle, green one, to buy at 104.57. If you happen to get in on that trade, you're sitting pretty right now with a chart analysis score plus 90, green trade triangles across the board, and trading at 108.38 presently. That's a 3% gain on the quarter if you happen to take that mid-February entry into Alibaba. Key level to watch for Alibaba right now will be 102.60. If we're to move below that level, we would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating an exit from the long position. And with that, everybody have a great weekend, every success, and I will be back next week.